Ho ho hello, Hollyvilly villagers. It's time for another unwrapping. And before we get started, here's a quick word from one of our sponsors. Are you tired of depressing gray sidewalks? Lifeless trees got you down? Does it seem like you can only dream of a white Christmas? Then you need snow, the magical combination of cold air and water that falls from the sky. Snow has hundreds of uses: snowmen, snowballs, snow angels, and on and on. Act now, temperatures are rising, and snow literally cannot last forever.
Snow is brought to you by the manufacturers of rain, freezing rain, sleet, and hail. Using snow may lead to slips and falls, shoveling driveways, getting stuck indoors, and wet boots. Contact your weatherman immediately if you develop any reaction to snow.
We hope you enjoyed that message from our sponsor. Now let's get to the unwrapping. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and ring the notification bell so you know when we've uploaded our latest videos. A little something different this time. This time, we actually know what's inside because we're going to cover the special tip of shopping late in the season and taking advantage of deep discounts. So we know what's in here already, but you don't. Let's take a look. I hope you're excited. I know we are. We saw this on sale and we couldn't resist. So, here's what we've got. Let's get the last of that paper off there. Excellent. Get that all cleaned up. Well, there we are. What we've got is the Swan Pond. Again, this is from St. Nicholas Square, and they are available at Kohl's. This is a moving piece that's hand-painted. This is similar to the ice skating or figure skating or hockey skating rinks, but instead this has the swans that move around and lit up trees. Take a look around the box, and usually on the back of these, yep, they have a story to tell. Complement the St. Nicholas Square Village collection with one of many artfully crafted accessories. Hand-painted with the same attention to detail given to the creation of this collection, these pieces help capture the sights and sounds of the season. Each edition is the perfect way to bring your own personal village to life. Illuminated lights, hand-painted, music in motion, adapter compatible, and the adapters included. You've seen in some of our other videos that we got fooled when there wasn't an adapter included. Well, we want to take a look right here and see that this is marked at $129. Now, $129, that's a pretty heavy investment in a piece for your village. So you really have to decide, is this the piece you need? But we'll get into it later in the video about how much we saved on this piece by shopping late in the season. Let's take a look inside. Yeah. Here's our adapter. We'll get that out and save that for just a moment. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Here we are. There's all our little swans already. Look at those friends. Little swans. There was a little piece of tape there that was holding that together that we just needed to cut open. Okay. With our gloves on. But you know what? What we'll do is we'll take a closer look with one of our other cameras here. Let's go in for that closer look. So you've got two with their wings down floating along and two with their wings up. Pretty neat. Great. Okay, let's move those down here. And let's get inside this box. Oh, I broke that piece of styrofoam. That's why I do really like some of the other manufacturers who are switching to that more foam rather than styrofoam. It's more of a rubbery foam. Get this piece of plastic off. Once again, to our little villagers, the plastic's not a toy. You can take and tie that up like that, parents, so that they can't get into that. I love this. How beautiful. Beautiful. So, oh, you can already hear that? And did you see it? Did you see it find? There it was. Look at it jump and it finds the magnet. So those work with magnets underneath. Let's Go ahead and throw a couple more of those on there. Haha, that's kind of neat how that does that. That's kind of funny. And there we are. So we've got some nice mossy trees there. A little waterfall. A little duck. Some baby ducks. I think that's probably the daddy duck and the baby ducks, because in the ducks, I believe usually the boys are more colorful. A little gazebo there and a little bridge. All right, let's plug it in and take a look. Here we go. That is beautiful. Those pretty lights in the trees. I love the lights around the gazebo there. You know, this is so much fun. It's a very quiet piece. We mentioned earlier that we really saved a lot of money on this by shopping late in the season. With only a week to go before Christmas, many of the stores are trying to unload the last of their village pieces, so they heavily discount the pieces. You can see that the original price was $129.99. With the 60% off, it came to $51.99. We also had an additional offer of 20% off, plus a $5 Kohl's Cash coupon. That gave us a total savings of $92.40. And after tax, if you compare, it would have been $142, and our final purchase price was $41, so we ended up saving over $100 on this piece and really added something great to our collection. And once again, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. We'd love it if you'd give us a like and hit the notification bell so you know when we've uploaded our latest videos. And until next time, happy villaging, villagers.